Have you ever wondered how the Kardashians maintain their beauty and stay fit all time? Well, they are no experts in health. But these women have dedicated their time, money, and energy to achieving their desired figures. So it only makes sense that they've picked up some effective habits along the way. If you want to know the secret drink that celebrities use to lose weight fast, please watch the full video and don't skip, because this will be a very informative one and you might thank me later for this. Have you ever tried to lose weight and found it impossible? It seems life just keeps moving faster and faster these days. You rush about to meet the demands of your life each day. Who has time to cook healthy, well-balanced meals every day when you are juggling all that? Unfortunately, the quick and easy food choices are often the worst options for your body, but they are so convenient when you're on the run. Weight loss is 80% diet and 20% exercise. A healthy diet cuts out all the awful foods that are making you gain weight while boosting your metabolism, cutting your cravings, and reducing your caloric intake without ever leaving you hungry. How to lose weight easily and effectively is still an issue faced by all the health-conscious people. Our diet should be insanely convenient for us. The great news is that just about everyone who drinks green smoothies loses weight. Introducing the smoothie diet. In fact, most people who follow a smoothie diet to lose weight report up to 3 to 8 pounds weight loss in their first week. This will be the best diet for all the lazy people who hate to exercise. Here are the top 5 reasons more people are using green smoothies to lose weight, boost energy, and look years younger. 1. Green smoothies for weight loss. The major benefit of green smoothies is weight loss. They offer a quick and convenient method for this, and they are super quick and easy to make. Just throw everything in a blender for a few seconds, pour it in a travel cup, and you are ready to go. The fiber helps you feel full, reducing the urge for unhealthy snacks between meals. If you make it right, your smoothie is a perfect meal replacement. Turn your green smoothie into a healthy meal replacement option that will help you shed those extra pounds, detox your body. More importantly, it helps you feel more energized and of course boosts your self-confidence. 2. Beautiful skin, hair and nails. Antioxidants are nature's magic pill for bringing out your natural beauty. Green smoothies leads to clear, glowing skin, stronger nails and lustrous, healthy hair. They help reduce or eliminate eczema and other skin conditions. 3. Anti-aging. You not only get clearer skin, but the nutrients in green smoothies also help boost production of collagen, creating firmer, younger-looking skin. Green smoothies are a great source of these anti-aging enzymes. 4. Chronic disease prevention. Green smoothies not only provide the energy to manage all the responsibilities and stress, but also help prevent chronic disease. Proper nutrition and diet is one of the best measures for preventing heart disease, cancer, diabetes and many other health conditions. Green smoothies are a wonderful source of these life-saving antioxidants and nutrients. 5. Improved digestion and gut health. A clear and healthy digestive tract brings less bloating, reduced weight, improved toxin elimination, stronger immune system, increased mental clarity, and more energy. Now you know why smoothies are the secret weapon celebrities use to lose weight fast. No wonder why celebrities like the housewives and the Kardashians swear by these magical green drinks to keep them slim all year round. People have been recently posting their weight loss pictures after using the smoothie diet, and it's already used successfully by thousands of people. Are you ready to get healthy and lose some serious weight fast? Do you want to lose weight by just drinking smoothies? Then check out my link given in the description and get your smoothie diet weight loss recipes for the best deal with my free bonus. Also, you get to watch a free video presentation in the link to see how effective detox smoothies for weight loss can be. If you find this video helpful and informative to you, please make sure to hit the subscribe and like button so that I can come up with more amazing reviews in the next videos.